If you're an insurance agent looking to get contracted with various health insurance carriers, you're in the right place. Today, we're answering your most frequently asked questions about contracting. So let's jump right in. What is contracting in health insurance? Well, contracting is the process through which agents get authorized to sell insurance products from different carriers. This is essential for you to represent those companies and offer their plans to your clients. Why is contracting important? Being contracted allows you to, 1, access a variety of products. You can offer your clients a range of health insurance options. 2, earn commissions. Only contracted agents can receive commissions for the policies they sell. 3, build credibility. Working with reputable carriers enhances your professional reputation. How do I get contracted? Here's a quick overview. 1, choose your FMO. Partner with a field marketing organization like ours that offers access to multiple carriers. 2, complete the application. Fill out the necessary paperwork, which may include background checks and licensing verification. 3, training and certification. Some carriers require specific training or certification before you can start selling their products. Now, let's address some common questions we receive. How long does the contracting process take? It can vary, but typically it takes a few days to a couple of weeks, depending on your carrier and your responsiveness. What if I have a criminal background? Each carrier has different policies, so it's best to check with each one individually. Some may allow you to contract with certain conditions, while others may have stricter guidelines. Transparency is key, so be upfront about your background through the application process. Once you're contracted, what's next? Here's what you can expect. Access to resources. You'll receive training materials, marketing support, and access to the carrier's portal for managing your clients. Here at Messer, you'll have access to our very own quote and enrollment platform, MyMFG, where you can manage your clients. Ongoing training. Many carriers offer continuous education to keep you updated on new products and compliance regulations. Commission structure. You'll be informed about how and when you'll receive your commissions, so you can plan accordingly. Here are some tips to ensure a smooth contracting experience. Stay organized. Keep track of your applications and follow up if you don't hear back within a reasonable time. Network with other agents. It's important to connect with your fellow agents to share experiences and tips about different carriers. Utilize your FMO, which could be us here at Messer. When contracted with Messer, you can always reach out for support and guidance throughout the process. That wraps up some common questions we get here at Messer. We hope this information helps you navigate the contracting process with confidence and ease. If you have any additional questions or need assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below or reach out to us directly by following the links in the description. Don't forget, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell for more tips and insights. Thanks for watching and happy selling.